currently taking shelter. Put my nice little driving gloves on that I found. I don't even think they fit me, to be fair. Some of you may be asking why I've cammed up, why I've got some sort of like camo on my lens. That's just to try and keep it a little bit protected from the weather. I feel like a bloody sniper, mate. Back in the army days, right? So yeah, we're just going to take a cruise down now to the end of runway 26. The plane itself will be landing on 08. And as you can see, the weather is, well, it's obviously snowing, but the visibility is not great. So I've got a plan in my head what I'm going to capture. So hopefully it will work. But yeah, I'm going to walk down this track now, and I'll see you when I get there. Okay, first of all, let's get this thing level. It's extended. Where's the... I always forget where the bloody lock is. This doesn't look very good, does it? Where has it gone? That'll be under here. Hang on a minute. There it is. There it is. Oh, balance. Okay, tighten that up. Stiffen that up. Release the pan. Crank that to 2. Right, we'll put this on. Take this off. Turn the beast on. Okay, so we're all set up. We're at the end of the runway. There it is. Perfectly aligned with the runway there. The pilots have just communicated with the tower and said, what's the runway like? They're currently over London. The snow machine has been out, putting probably chemicals on the runway maybe. So yeah, should be landing that way. So now we wait.
601, but we're fully established that's runway 08 at 7.8. 601, forward tail again, the wind is 0 degrees, 11 knots, runway 08. Runway 08, clear to land, 601.
Right then, troops, that's it. She's in, landed safely, good landing actually. Well put down by the captain here at Bournemouth. Because it's such a short runway, it's only the captains that can actually land here. The first officers can only take off from Bournemouth. Nice. So yeah, that's it. That's in. Hopefully the footage comes out. Hopefully the footage comes out okay. And well, by this point you've already watched it. But yeah, hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and in the comments let me know what you want to see next. From me, from Bournemouth and the snowy place. Catch you in the next one.